everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a little video painting of some lovely florals with a couple birthday items I got and an ink that came from several weeks ago, the Winsor Newton Gold. The exact name of this is Gold, and it's from Winsor and Newton ink. And someone had suggested this, and it is super shimmery, and it's more of a bright gold. And then the one I have here I got for my birthday, which is beautiful, and this is the Ferris Wheel Press, and it is sparkling champagne, and it is more of a honey colored gold, if I could put it that way, if you want to compare those kinds. So I'm going to swatch those out with the stamps that I got from what's the place called that comes in this beautiful box? What's it called? I gotta find my box. Notebook Therapy. And this is the Light Academia set, and it's got some beautiful stamps in there. Of course, my sister knows I like that sort of thing, so she got that for me, and they are beautiful. And so I used one of the stamps to kind of make a little swatch card for both of these inks. So the top one is the Ferris Wheel Press. I did try to put it on the black. It is rather translucent, but also I probably could have shaken that a little bit better. But you can see all that gorgeous pigment floating around in there, that mica. And then this one, the Winsor & Newton, I would say is a lot thicker in terms of the glitter part. And kind of the liquidy part is very translucent. And so I would use this as more of a, touch up type of, like, adding little gold accents and things, because it has some substance to it that you could spread around as a textural element. Whereas the Ferris Wheel Press ink, you can actually paint, and it's going to have not only the shimmer, but it's going to have the ink color, watercolor effect there for you, if that makes sense. I don't know, that didn't come out very normally, but, and then I grabbed my Art Nouveau set from my Gansai Tambi Japanese watercolors, and I love them. They have a little bit of opaqueness to them, almost like on its way to a gouache, but not quite, more towards the watercolor end. And so if you haven't tried those out, I do have pretty much all the sets. I think they're great, and they have like really big pans, which is great for larger brushes when you're doing bigger pieces. And so I just am using some teals, kind of keeping to just a few colors, just to kind of try out these inks, and just kind of quickly painting some stems and things. Of course, I will use this, I'm sure, in surface pattern design, because that's what I do. But they are beautiful. I love that honey color, and the of course, Winsor Newton, super glittery. It's like hyper glitter. If that makes any sense. It is very, very shimmery. I can see why people really like it. And I'm a big fan of Ferris Wheel Press inks. I have a few, a good little handful, and they are beautiful. And so here I'm just kind of layering, and I will try to remember to leave links down below for this. And now I'm coming in with, from that Gansai Tambi palette, like an light olive green, and I'm just kind of trying just to layer and give some dimension and different colors and shading to the piece. Take this moment, if I could put my plug in for my like and subscribe, that would be great. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch with me today. I hope that you are grabbing your art supplies and playing with them. And I'm actually working here today in my Strathmore watercolor spiral journal. They're great for travel. The paper is really thick and great and has the texture to it. And I really like the Strathmore watercolor paper. It really does a great job holding lots of media as well. I tend to be very not with a light hand, let's just say. And it takes it well, so that's great. So just layering in different greens. I'm kind of sticking to greens, a light brown, and these inks and the teals are kind of where I'm parking here. And I kind of gravitate towards those, my mouth is cold, it's a little chilly down here, gravitate towards those colors anyways. But let me know if you've tried any of these and if you like them. I know that they're calligraphy inks, the Ferris Wheel Press, but I do paint with them. You can put them in pens though, and that works wonderfully too. But yeah, I hope you check out all the links below. Check out all the places, Etsy, Patreon, Spoonflower, Raspberry Creek Fabrics, and see what designs are hopping around there. And these are beautiful inks. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a blessed day.